Flip to your back just real quick.
So ticklish. You like in the armpit.
I know. I'm just using my fist though.
I know, it's still ticklish. Okay, go.
That's not gonna work.
No?
I don't think so. Maybe it's fine. I just want to open it up a little bit.
No. That's so weird how the body is like that.
You feel that way?
That way too.
Yep. Definitely tell that way. You're really stuck there. Not too bad up here though. Actually, right there it lied. Okay, do a breath in and out. Good. Wow. There. Try to do this one. Freaking hair, man.
Sorry.
Okay, we'll do this side. And we'll see, let this arm just fall for me. Oh, that was a big
Whoa.
one. Good, and then just come on this side first. Perfect, perfect. Watch it just, yeah. Okay, just a little guy.
Already went a little bit.
Where'd you feel that, higher or lower?
Right here.
Oh, right there, huh?
Okay.
Going back. This might be too much for you. Jeez. That's really sneaky duck. I was surprised. Kinda got a high one here.
I feel it.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm. That was kind of random how I couldn't really
Yeah.
grab my voice and then.
Oh, this is good. Oh, here. Oh. Kind of slowly turn this way for me. Okay, come back. Do it again. Okay.
Oh yeah.
Remember? Mm-hmm. Yep, perfect. 1, 2, 3. Oh, dang it. Can I do it one more time? 1, 2, 3. There we go. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Yes.
2 times at a time.
Get it done. 50-50 love.